Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today our video class is on EVS. Today we are going to study lesson 6, food and shelter for animals. Food and shelter for animals. So before starting the lesson, in the previous lesson we have studied about animals, types of animals, small animals, big animals. Animals like elephant, rhino, giraffe, they come under big animals. Some animals like mouse, cat, dog, rabbit, they comes under small animals. We studied that animals have 4 legs and they eat with the help of their teeth. Then coming to birds. In birds too we are having different kinds, small birds, big birds. Some birds which are very heavy. Birds are having 2 legs. As animals are having 4 legs, birds will not have 4 legs. They are having 2 legs and 2 wings. Wings help them to fly. So some birds like ostrich, you might have seen ostrich in the zoo, children. Some like ostrich, some birds like ostrich which you have already seen in the zoo. It cannot fly because it is very heavy. It is a big animal. It is very heavy, so it cannot fly. Even though it is having wings, it cannot fly. Now for example, you take hen. Hen is also comes under a bird or an animal. It is having 2 legs. Even it cannot fly like other birds. Ostrich, penguin, these comes under birds. They are having 2 legs, 2 wings, but they are unable to fly because of their heavy body weight. And then we have studied animals, some birds like crow, parrot, pigeon. They can fly as they are very light in weight. Then we studied that some animals like duck and swan, pelican, they can swim in water. These are about birds. Birds have 2 legs and 2 wings. Wings help them to fly. Now as animals are having teeth to chew their food, birds are not having teeth. They are having beak. They eat with the help of the beak and swallow their food. They are not having teeth. Some insects. Now coming to insects. Insects we study how many legs insects have? Insects have 6 legs. They are having 6 legs and wings to fly. Now take grasshopper, housefly, butterfly, mosquito. They are having 6 legs and wings to fly. You might have seen housefly, mosquito near your homes or in your homes. And in insects too, some insects do not have wings. Example, you can take ant. Ant is an insect. It is having 6 legs, but it is not having wings. So it cannot fly. This is all what we have studied in the previous class. In today's, and also we have studied about animals. Some animals live on land, some animals live in water, some animals live on trees, some animals live both on land and water. Then we have studied about animals and their babies. Different animals and their babies. The animals of different animals, the babies of different animals are called by different names. Cow, the animal, cow we will take. The baby of cow is called calf. Sheep, the baby of sheep is called fawn, or you can take deer. The baby of deer is called fawn. Lion, cub. Tiger, cub. Dog, pup. Cat, kitten. These are the examples of animals and their babies. The baby of a sheep is called lamb. Now in today's lesson we are going to study about animals, that is the food and shelter for animals. So as we human beings, we need food to live. Is it clear? We need food to live, we need food to grow, we need food to get energy. So what are the different kinds of food we are having? Are you eating the same kind of food daily? No, we are eating different kinds of food. Sometimes we will eat vegetables, we are having fruits. This comes under the plant products. Now we are having flesh and meat. This comes under the animal products. We are also having some seeds which we get from plants. These are the food items which we are eating. Fruits, vegetables, meat, fish, seeds of plants. These are the food we eat. As we need food to live, to get energy, in the same way animals also need food. Can they live without food? No, they too need food to live. So today's lesson is about food and shelter of animals. So in animals too we are having different kinds of food habits. Animals too, we are having different types of food habits. Some animals eat plants. What they eat? Plants, or you can say grass or leaves. So what are these animals? Those eat plants or grass or leaves? Animals like so these are some of the animals like elephant, zebra, cow, deer, goat. These are the animals which eat or live on plants, grass or leaves of the plants. So these animals we call them as plant eating animals. We can also say as they are living only on plants. We can also say them as plant eating animals. Some animals eat only food grains. Some animals eat food grains. What are those animals? Hen or birds. Mouse. These are some of the animals which eat food grains. Now some animals eat insects. Insect eating. Some animals eat insects. Have you seen a frog? Frog, what the frog will eat? It eat the insects. It catch the other insects and eat. Have you seen a lizard? Yeah, lizard too. Lizard, it will catch the other insects and eat. Frog, lizard, spider, these are the insects eating animal. So plants eating animal, food grains, animals that eat food grains, animals that eat insects. Some animals eat flesh. What are those animals? Lion, tiger, crocodile, vulture, snake. So these are the flesh eating animals. Animals that eat flesh of other animals. Flesh is nothing but killing the other animals and eating the flesh of that animals. Gosh. Lion, tiger, crocodile, vulture and snake. These animals, what they'll do, they'll kill the other animals and eat it. That is their food. Now some animals eat both plants and also flesh. Plants and flesh. What are those animals which eat both? We human beings. We human beings we are both plant eating and flesh eating people we. So other are cow, bear, cockroach, crow, Crow, bear, what this animal crow will do? Crow will eat even the plants, it also eats the flesh. So these are the different food habits of animals. Animals are having different food habits. All animals were not going to eat the same food. So that these are the different food habits of animals. What are these? Different food habits of animals. Different food habits. Now coming to plants. Animals that eat either plants, grass, leaf, this all comes under one category, that is plant eating animals. So animals that eat only plants, they does not eat flesh. What are those animals? Elephant, zebra, cow, deer, goat, etc. These are the plant eating animals. Now coming to food grains. Animals that live on food grains. Hen, birds, mouse. These are the animals which eat food grains. Then coming to insects. Some animals, they eat the insects like frog, lizard. If you have observed, just you see, you might have seen lizards in your house. Just see how they catch hold of the insects and eat. Frog, lizard and spider, they eat the other insects. These are the insects eating animal. Now coming to flesh eating animals. As we call flesh eating animals comes into your mind, so we get the name of either tiger or lion. Lion, tiger, crocodile, vulture, snake. These are the flesh eating animals. They'll eat the flesh of other animals. They'll kill and eat the flesh. Now some animals, they eat both the plants and also the flesh. So those examples are we human beings. We eat plant products and also the animal products like meat, egg, fish, etc. Crow and bear. Crow and bear, they eat both. They eat the plants or grass or leaves of the plants and also the flesh of other animals. They eat both. That is the crow and bear, they eat both plants and flesh of other animals. So this is about the different food habits of animals. Hope you have understood the lesson, children. Thank you.